11:20. That time check was brought to you by PGP, the Generics Pharmacy. Basta Generics at gamot pang maintenance, the Generics Pharmacy. Nandito ang reseta ng doktor. Now with over 1,600 branches nationwide to serve you. And Cebu Pacific, why everyone flies.
Ikaw ba'y isang diabetic at umiiwas sa asukal pero mahilig pa rin sa masarap na kape? Pues, Sunmig Coffee Sugar Free ang para sa'yo. Low fat, low calorie, at sweetened with Splenda. Kaya hindi lang masarap, maingat pa sa kalusugan mo. Sunmig Coffee Sugar Free. Available sa iyong suking tindahan, grocery, at supermarket.
Hi, Tony. What's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Lighty. Bigger Lighty helps take away constipation. Senna Sexy, Bigger Lighty.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Lighty. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa Senna Sexy, take Bigger Lighty. Magluto ng sinigang at tikman ang asim kilig with North Sinigang. Pakinggan ang latest North Sinigang asim kilig single with Raisa and Clarence.
Nagkakasal pagod mo sa trabaho, eskwela sa sinigang ni nanay, lahat sumasaya.
Maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas affordable. Unique toothpaste. It's your toothpaste at your price.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand. Kaya ng leading brand ang Unique nagbibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique up to 50% more affordable. Unique is your toothpaste at your price. Unique toothpaste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalo magaanda. Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Eh kung i-partner ako dito sa slacks.
Gaanda.
Eh kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ano pang isuot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit niyang panlaba.
Pride with fabric conditioner.
Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Kaya ko yata magpajama.
Gaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner.
Magaan ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner.
Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing.
ISO certified world-class quality.
Hi, Tony. What's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Lighty. Bigger Lighty helps take away constipation. Senna Sexy, Bigger Lighty.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Lighty. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Want to know the secret to staying sexy? Take Bigger Lighty. It is 100% all natural with no side effects. Made with 75% fruits and 25% leaves. So para sa Senna Sexy, take Bigger Lighty. Now 25 years in the market.
Bago mo salubungin ang Pasko, mag-Star City muna tayo! At ang pagsalubong uumpisahan sa September 8. Come on! Come on! Starting September 8. Come on! Come on pala! Basta! Monday hanggang Sunday! Monday hanggang Sunday! Monday hanggang Sunday na ang Star City! Kaya buong family, mga ka-FB, barkada, kaklase, kaopisina, kahit tagalit mo ba, Star City na! Feeling na talaga! Talagang talaga!
Bago sumapit ang Pasko, Star City muna tayo!
Star City! More rides! More